Hello students, welcome to Math to Infinity. This is an online center for learning mathematics. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about matrix, a basic topic from algebra. We'll move on to the lesson. First, we'll look at the definition of matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. The dimension of matrix are written as rows cross columns. We'll interpret this by word. Rectangular array of numbers. So rectangular array of numbers in the sense you have to draw a square bracket. One open square bracket, one closed square bracket. So this is the way to represent the matrix. Arranged in rows and columns. I'll explain what is row and what is column with an example. Take a look at this example. So this example contains 4 elements, 45, 68, 2 and 31. In this, the left to right trace is considered as row. Top to bottom trace is considered as column. So 45 to 68. So this one is considered as row 1. So that is row 1. And 2 to 31 is considered as row 2. So column is top to bottom. So 45 to 2, this one is considered as column 1 and 68 to 31 which is considered as column 2. And about the dimension of the matrix. So always you have to write the number of rows first followed by the number of columns. In this 2 rows and 2 columns are present. So the dimension of the matrix is 2 cross 2. I hope you understood the definition of it. We'll see some more example. So the first one is for the 2 cross 2 matrix. So this matrix contains 4 elements. Those are A, B, C and D. So in this, row 1 is A to B, row 2 is C to D, and column 1 is A to C, column 2 is B to D. Please take a screenshot of these example. The first one is 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns present. The second one, it is a 2 cross 1 matrix, 2 rows and 1 column is present. The third one is, okay, it is not 3 cross 2, it is a mistake. It's supposed to be 4 cross 2 matrix. It is a 4 cross 2 matrix. Yeah, the fourth one is 3 cross 4 matrix and then 5 cross 5 matrix. 5 cross 5 matrix means 5 rows and 5 columns. Here you could see the word square matrix, right? Let me explain what is square matrix with the whiteboard. Please take a screenshot of this. All right. So we'll see what is square matrix. In square matrix, the number of rows and number of columns will be equal. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. For example, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. In this, there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So number of rows equal to number of columns. So I can call this matrix as a square matrix. And for 3 cross 3, you can write 9 elements. Any elements, it can be rational, irrational, complex number also. So this is an example for 3 cross 3 matrix. And you can call this kind of matrix also as a square matrix because the number of column is equal to number of row present in the matrix. Okay. I hope you understand the meaning of the square matrix. So now we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction performed in the matrix. Just a second. So this is the general form of addition. Please note it down. or else take a screenshot. A matrix A and matrix B. So when you add matrix A and matrix B, you will be performing the addition between the elements present in the matrix. So the matrix A contains 4 elements. Those are A1, A2, A3, and A4. The matrix B contains 4 elements. Those are B1, B2, B3, and B4. So when you do addition, always you have to go along with the position. The first matrix, in first matrix, you have A1 here and you have B1 here. So A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3, A4 plus B4. So this is how you have to perform addition. Let me clear this with an example. In this example, 4837, that is matrix A, 1052, that is matrix B. So here also I'm going to apply the same general form. So I'll be performing addition between A1 and B1, 4 plus 1 and 8 plus 0, 3 plus 5 and 7 plus 2. So the result of the addition is going to be 5889. So that's your result. Subtraction of matrix. So this is going to be the general form of matrix. Please take a screenshot. Let me solve a 3 cross 3 matrix for a subtraction. Okay. So I'm going to share a whiteboard. So this is matrix A. I'm going to perform subtraction with another 3 cross 3 matrix. Some random numbers are given. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So the same thing. Now I'll be subtracting the B1 from A1, right? So it is going to be 9 minus 1 and 8 minus 8, 3 minus 2. Now I'm going to perform subtraction between the row 2. Row 2 of matrix A and row 2 of matrix B. So it is going to be 4 minus 8 minus 1 minus 2 and okay. Look at the first one. 9 minus 1. Already this contains minus 1. So minus of minus will become plus. So this will become 0 minus 4. And between the third row, it's going to be 3. Already the element is having negative sign. So minus of minus is going to be plus. And then 2 minus 2. And then between 5 and 3. So we'll simplify this. Basic subtraction. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 8 is negative 4 and negative 3. So negative 1 and negative 2. Whenever you have like same sign, you will be performing addition and you will be put the same sign again. 0 minus 4 is going to be negative 4. And 3 plus 5 is going to be 8. 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. 5 minus 3 is going to be. So this is the result of the subtraction of matrix. So in the future classes, we will be discussing the multiplication of the matrix and adjoint of matrix and inverse concept from the matrix chapter. Thank you so much. See you.